Good morning, my wonderful family. Look at this beautiful green farm today.
The sun is shining so brightly. It is a perfect day for picking fruits.
Wow! Look at all the big red apples up on those tall trees. And look at the small, sweet strawberries down here on the soft grass.
I have a great idea for us today. Let's have a fun fruit race.
A fruit race? That sounds amazing! How do we play that game, Dad?
We will divide into 2 teams. It will be the boys versus the girls.
Oh, that sounds very exciting. Lily and I are a very strong team.
Leo and I are the boys team. We are very strong and very fast.
Mom and I are the girls' team. We are very careful and very smart.
The rules are simple. The team with more fruits will be the winner today.
We will pick all the big apples and all the heavy yellow pears. We will pick all the sweet strawberries and all the fresh blue blueberries.
Are you ready for the race? 3, 2, 1, let the race begin!
Oh no! The apples are too high. I cannot reach them from the ground.
Do not worry, Leo. I am very tall. I can lift you up easily.
Wow, thank you, Dad. Now I am very tall. I can see everything from here.
Can you reach the red apples now, my strong boy? Grab the big ones.
Yes, I can reach them. I got a very big and shiny red apple.
Great job, Leo. Put it safely in our big basket right now.
Look at this beautiful yellow pear. It is very big and very heavy.
Ouch! Be careful up there, Leo. That yellow pear is really heavy and hard.
Oops, I am so sorry, Dad. Did that heavy pear hurt your head?
I am perfectly fine. Let's pick more big fruits quickly before the time ends.
Look down here, Lily. What do you see hiding under this big green leaf?
Oh, I see a red strawberry. It is so small and so cute.
Pick it very carefully, Lily. Do not crush the soft and sweet fruit.
I am being very careful, Mom. Look at my beautiful and shiny red strawberry.
Good job, my sweet girl. Let's find more small fruits together in this bush.
Oh, wow! I found a giant red strawberry hiding right here in the corner.
That is a wonderful find, Lily. Put it gently in our lovely basket.
The boys are running fast, but we have so many small, sweet fruits.
Time is up, everyone! The fun fruit race is finally over!
Let's go to the wooden table, Lily. It is time to count our fruits.
Look at our big basket. We have very big and very heavy fresh fruits. But look at our lovely basket. We have so many small and colorful fruits.
Let's count the big red apples and the yellow pears first. Ready, Leo?
1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, we have 15 big fruits in our basket.
15 is a great number. We are doing very well in this race.
Now let's count the small strawberries and the fresh blueberries in our lovely basket.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there are too many fruits in here.
We cannot count them all, Lily. There are simply too many small fruits.
Our fruits are bigger and heavier. That means the boys' team wins the race. No, our fruits are more beautiful and sweet. The girls' team is the winner.
This is a very difficult decision. Big fruits or many small fruits? Yes, we are one happy family.
What is your wonderful idea, my dear? Let's wash all these fresh fruits and mix them together in a big bowl.
Yay! We can make a big and delicious rainbow fruit salad for everyone. That is a fantastic idea, Mom. A colorful rainbow fruit salad sounds so yummy.
This rainbow fruit salad is so delicious and sweet. I really love it.
The big crunchy apples and the soft sweet strawberries are absolutely perfect together. We do not need a single winner today. We are the best team ever.
Yes, working together as a loving family is always the best thing to do.
Thank you so much for watching our fun fruit race today on our channel.
Do you like eating big, crunchy apples or small, sweet red strawberries the most?
Please tell us your favorite fruit in the comments below this video right now. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to Leo and Lily Learn.
See you next time for more fun family adventures. Goodbye, everyone! Hi!